Okay, so this is the top. This is the easy part. We just make sure you get the creases so that it's strong. Okay, get your creases. And then you're gonna push this like this, and this like this, and then wrap it around, and it pops itself right in place. This side, oh, get one stuck right here. Goes around like that. Creases. And here's the lid to our 5-row box. Now we got this part. It's a 5-row, so it's going to have 4 dividers. We bought some extras, so that's less important. Same thing, these. I'm going to keep the creases that they have. A little lip like that, you want to make sure that's good. And then these go like this so that they don't slip around once it's put in place. So we're going to do all of them. Monkey in the other room. Okay, so now okay, so we're going to put this in here like this, and then this goes like that. Now we want this part to be in like that. This gives us our lines, and this is going to fit right in here. Pop. And we get the next one in. It's going to go right here. Pop. This one's going to go right here. Get it in there. Oh, look at, made a mistake. Forgot that side. Needs to come in first. There we go. There we go, slightly forgivable at least. Sure that everything pops itself right where it goes. Nice sturdy box. The lid fits right on top. There we go. You can stop the camera now.